What is going on, y'all? Welcome to another week. I had recorded some footage yesterday, which was Monday, and then I accidentally deleted it. So now it is Tuesday, and I am starting this vlog afresh. But Bryson is printing some apparel shirts because Live Savage Apparel is now officially launched, which is awesome. Greg and I are about to jump on a call with one of our protein suppliers and talk shop, and Greg is currently sitting in my office. I'm going to redo that shot from yesterday. We're just going to zoom into your mustache. Look at your nose hairs. You got some. You ever tweeze your nose hairs?
I cut them.
How do you cut them? Like you have those like nose hair trimmer thing?
Oh, yeah.
You just stick it in there and wiggle it around?
Yeah, wiggle.
How's it doing? Is it getting them all?
What's going on, you guys? It's me. We're in Apparel. You know, we launched Apparel this past Sunday, so 2 days ago. And thankfully got some orders in, and I'm just gonna kind of show you guys the little nitty-gritty stuff that I endure back here. It's not that bad. It's pretty fun. Just lining up screens, got to cover up these registration marks so it doesn't get through. And then we got a couple different designs on here. So you got different arrowhead, broadheads and stuff. It just reduces how many screens I have to move, which is really nice. But yeah, sounds like these all covered up. I'm printing 3 shirts today. 4 shirts, 3 shirts. And so got a couple different designs that we're working with. Stay tuned. I'll get a clip of me actually printing. Got everything set up to print this chest broadhead. Nothing crazy. Just a path. Definitely. Look flat. Looks good. Build screen. Wow. It's one. And that's all there is to it.
Hey.
Everyone always gets me every time.
We love scaring Ellen. It's relatively easy. Yeah, it's very easy. All you have to do is just walk very quiet or say her name really loud and you get a We love her. We love her. She loves us. We missed her last week, but glad to have her back this week.
We're gonna go see what these guys are doing, making all kinds of ruckus in the kitchen. So let's see what we got. We got a bunch of raw organic cacao butter wafers. We got a bunch of dry ingredients in there. They're mixing those bad boys up. Melting our butter. Mixing our concoction.
Yeah.
Ralph is over here rolling up some trays of molds. There's the finished mixture. It's going to turn into keto bricks. And these ones are heading to the fridge for chilling. Bell's brownie batter in liquid form.
I want to let y'all know that I am the shit.
I just got you on camera. This is the kind of music Robert turns on at work. Did you pick this music?
So what? This is Bryson's song. He's playing his music right now.
Nah, I'm listening to Drake in my ear right now, man.
There she goes.
I mean, it's a good song. I just haven't listened to this song in forever.
Well, yesterday the guys were crafting Bell's brownie batter. Today the guys are packaging Bell's brownie batter. So that one has been out of stock for a little while, and we get a lot of messages saying, hey, when is Bell's brownie batter coming back in stock? Well, guess what, ladies and gents? Guess what? It's going live today. And I told Robert I was going to go in the kitchen and see how everything was going, and you know what he said to me? He said, grab me a brick. I want some lunch. So, we got one that didn't quite make it because the corner popped off. So this is Robert's lunch. Robert! We need quality control.
Quality control.
Bell's brownie batter. Fresh off the line. I know what it tastes like. Angels dancing on the tip of your tongue.
Delicious.
Got a little lunchtime at the compound. Show you what I'm eating. We got 10 ounces of 80-20 ground beef, 2 scrambled eggs, an ounce of shredded mozzarella, bunch of salt, a couple scoops of pickle de gallo, and some Primal Kitchen buffalo sauce with a can of tea. There's like 950 calories, 70-ish grams of protein, 70-ish grams of fat, and like 3 or 4 carbs. I keep it keto at Keto Brick. Here comes Robert, I guess. I'm gonna put a lock on that door.
Ralph, what you have for lunch?
Coffee and some brats.
Coffee and brats. You gonna cook them? Those are like raw in there, aren't they?
Well, they're raw, but I'm gonna cook them.
You gonna cook them? You don't eat a raw.
I'm not doing
You don't want to
the
raw
raw.
dog the brats?
I haven't gone quite raw yet.
Clancy, what you having?
Soda right now.
Bunch of beans or something?
Oh, I don't know about lunch.
Don't know about lunch.
57 and I'm going down.
Hey, what you got over here, Ralph? What is this?
Oh, that's your test, see?
This is some gum?
To see if the addiction could be handled.
It can't. Y'all don't know this about me, but I am literally a gum addict. I have to give up gum. I can't buy it for myself, but if Ralph leaves it in the break room, I'm like freaking moth to a flame. He's an enabler.
Can I steal one of these?
Oh, yeah.
All right.
Stealing employee bells. Bada bing, bada boom. All right, y'all. Crystal just got done working out. Check out this really cool picture. It's face tracking me. That really cool picture, still face tracking me, that somebody drew for me way back in the day, which is pretty awesome. Very kind of them. Also, let's check out the family. We got all these cups, or not all these cups, all these pictures that Crystal made for my Father's Day gift. Is it Father's Day? Of me and the boys. We got Raiji chewing gum like a maniac.
Yeah,
And we got Hazen
I didn't show them my shakes.
wiggle worming like a booger bud.
Show them
Hey,
my shakes.
cutie.
Show them my shakes.
We got Crystal. You get your swole on?
So swole.
Give us a front double bicep pose.
No.
Let's see a front double bicep pose.
Nah,
Come on.
nah.
Do you know what a front double bicep pose is?
Yes, I do, and I'm not gonna show you. I
Okay,
already know
your
in
figure,
here.
your figure. Give us a front lat spread pose. Come on, anything? Nothing?
Do it.
Do it, do it, do it. Come on, do it, do it. You gotta do it now. You gotta do it for Raiji.
No, why
You
don't
gotta do it for
You
Raiji.
do a double front bicep.
Give us a front double bicep, Raj. Give us a front double bicep, Raj.
Can you flex for him? Go give him a flex. There you go. That's the one we want.
At the rate we're going, that's bigger than yours, baby. Yo, yo, yo. I don't think we filmed anything yesterday. It is now Friday evening. Busy work day. I'm at home with the family, and we are about to have some pizza nights. Keto pizza night.
Hi.
Hi, what's up?
I have some.
I just got done testing
I
my
have some.
blood sugar and ketones. Hey, stop pulling my arm, buddy. Ketones are 0.8.
Hi.
Blood sugar was 84. What do you need, buddy?
I have something to say too.
What you got?
We're eating some yummy pizza, and pizza is my favorite, and chicken, and I'm gonna just eat it all pizza, and I have Zevia with some.
You want to show us the pizza? Show us the pizza. What you got?
No, we can't yet. It's not ready.
It's not ready?
Yours is, kind of.
Mine's kind of ready.
Yeah, and we also
Keto pizza.
And I also have a Zevia with some milk inside, which is pretty yummy too.
You gonna have some pizza too, Hazen? Yeah.
Yeah.
We were doing sprints earlier. I was pushing them. Crystal did some sprints. Pushing them in the stroller. We're about to eat outside. Isn't that right, Raju?
Yep. Sure am. Bye. Ta-ta for now.
Alright, here's the finished product. My pizza.
Can
Hazen's
Can I
pizza.
take it? Can I show it?
No, I'm seeing yours right now. Show them what you got.
Thank you.
There's Raji's pizza.
Can you show him this too?
Crystal's
Can
pizza.
you show him this too?
You want me to show them your, what is that, buddy?
It's a Zevia with milk.
A Zevia with milk. A Zevia float. Sunset on the back porch. Alright, y'all, that's a wrap on the posing seminar. Greg was capturing some footage for it. We had a pretty good turnout. There's probably, I don't know, 20 people there or so. So pretty happy with that, especially because there was an NPC competition this same day in Hot Springs. So a lot of people that wouldn't likely have gone to the posing seminar were at that competition. So pretty pleased with that turnout. Afterwards, the instructors and I went to Wright's Barbecue, and I hooked all them up with a big old plate of barbecue. Did not film that. But I got a massive beef rib, which they only offer on Saturdays, which was delicious. Just got done running. It is 102 degrees according to my truck. Nice and toasty. I'm sweating up a storm. But got done running, did a trail run. Pretty much this trail that I do is 1.2 miles straight up and then 1.2 miles straight down. So pretty good, and I'm doing it all nasal breathing, so the goal is to not open my mouth at all, and I succeeded. So feel good about that. Now gonna go home. Crystal's gonna get a lift on, and I'm gonna go see what happens at the homestead. Not sure if I'm gonna film much more on this vlog. I don't want them to always be super long, so if I don't, I'll catch y'all next week. If I do, I'll see y'all in a bit. What's up, babe? You just got back from your breastfeeding circle.
Yep, sure did.
What happened?
What happened?
You did some breastfeeding?
We sure did. We did some breastfeeding. It sounds weird, like to call it breastfeeding circle. Me and my friend she and I put it on every month. We're actually changing some things up, so it'll be more of like a mom's group, more involved in other things. But anywho, every month.
I'm not invited to the breastfeeding circle.
Correct.
Guys.
Yeah, here, can you put that back? So every month we bring a dish of some sort. So this was kind of like my month to bring a meal, and it is delish. I actually have a whole bunch of it, but this is a perfect summertime treat.
We should make this in the Keto Savage Kitchen episode.
We haven't done that in 3 years.
I know,
4 years.
we know how to though. We should make another one, but like, what would you even call this? Chicken?
I would call it's like a Mediterranean
salad.
like chopped salad. Yeah, here, let's not open it, okay?
It's yummy.
Hold on, baby. It's got shredded chicken, cucumbers, Kalamata olives, onions, feta cheese, a little bit of yogurt, a little bit of mayonnaise, What else did I put in there?
It's yummy.
Some different seasonings, vinegar, lemon, delicious. It's really yummy. You eat it cold. It was really good. The girls had some like pita chip type things. I also have egg life wraps that you just put in there. So good.
Boom chakalaka.
Much better than I thought it was gonna be. Delish.
All right, I am a nasty mess. I just got done mowing the yard, bush hogging the field, and I'm about to change my fuel filter in my big diesel truck.
Oh, and Dad, tell them about me making French pasta, French.
Rigel made all kinds of stuff in the sandbox for sure, and we fixed your tire swing. But that's what I'm about to do. Saturdays and Sundays are oftentimes filled with a bunch of yard work, homesteading shenanigans. So, bunch of mowing this time of year. So I'm about to change my fuel filter, and I'll see y'all next week.
There's Rigel.
And him.
Getting all of his. Oh, yep, sure enough. Rigel's getting all of his gear ready. Help Dad change the fuel filter, huh? Yep. One good looking guy right there.
I found a bracelet for you.
You did. Well, hello, ladies and gents. This is the end of the vlog. I actually made this a little bit longer than I had anticipated because I realized we have some important information that's going to be hitting y'all soon. So this vlog is going to go live on Saturday. Tomorrow, so Sunday, August 2nd, is going to be the start of our annual Brick by Brick anniversary sale at ketobrick.com. That is a big deal. That is the biggest sale, the biggest thing that we hype up and promote all year long. So I'm excited about it. Greg, are you excited about it?
I am super excited about it.
Tell me about Brick by Brick. What is Brick
by Brick is a celebration that we have every year, and it commemorates the time frame of moving into this new compound. So this business was built brick by brick, and so you, the customers, the loyal people out there, made it possible for us to move into this compound. And those of you who purchased during that first brick by brick sale actually got your name written on one of the bricks on the exterior of this building. That's going to happen this year as well. However, we're out of brick space, so we've got a large storage container out in the parking lot that we've blacked out with black paint. And every year during the Brick by Brick sale, those who order during that time frame get their name written on that storage container. So, in a nutshell, Brick by Brick is 1 week long. It's 15% off on top of the bundle discount pricing already in place. And if you order over a certain threshold, I believe, is it $250?
Mm-hmm.
If you order over $250 at checkout, we're going to throw in a pretty sweet commemorative limited edition collectible t-shirt.
Boom chakalaka.
So, Brick by Brick.
That is the plan, y'all. Brick by Brick 26. The shirt is looking slick. We just finalized the design today at the morning meeting, actually. And it's going to be good. So, catch y'all then. It's going to be starting tomorrow on the 2nd of August. So, go to ketobrick.com and check it out. Take advantage of the promo.